Hi everyone, my name is Taline Barghouti and I'm currently in Boston. I'm studying industrial engineering at Northeastern University.
Hi everyone, my name is Aya Hamdan. I'm here in the San Francisco Bay Area, California. I'm a graduate student at the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health studying reproductive and pediatric epidemiology.
Hello everyone, my name is Sana Obari and I live in Aleppo, Syria. I study medicine and I'm really excited to be part of the MIT Arab Conference.
Hello everyone, I am Ritik Verma from JP University of Engineering and Technology, India.
Hi everyone, so my name is Omni Al-Doghri and I'm currently in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm a campus ambassador from Tufts University.
Hi everyone, my name is Sirin Khalili and I'm living in Beirut, Lebanon. I'm studying applied economics in the Lebanese American University.
Hello, my name is Yasmin. I'm currently in Minnesota and I study at Wellesley College.
I'm most looking forward to the panel on November 15th, where we will be hearing from a lineup of speakers on emergency and healthcare response. I think it'll be an especially important conversation given what's happening with the COVID-19 pandemic this year. So I look forward to hearing their perspectives and their expertise.
And then what I'm most excited to see in the conference this year are definitely the demo days, just because I look forward to hearing from everyone that's in the lineup.
And what I'm really looking forward to in the conference is to get to know the people who are participating in the conference, and maybe we'll have the chance to listen to their ideas and thoughts they will be sharing with us.
And I'm very excited about the conference, especially hearing all these startup pitches and the startups demo day.
And I am really excited to attend MIT Arab Conference 2020 because of the two main aspects. That is, it will increase my networking between the same minds of people who share the same ideas related to IT, because I belong to IT sector, and also from the learning aspect, as because the guest lectures and the speakers will be giving some speeches, and I will gain some knowledge from them, and I want to learn their experiences they had in their journey.
The thing I'm most excited about for this conference is really getting to connect with a lot of other students and professionals and really getting to listen to and learn from such inspiring speakers and all of their initiatives and projects that they've done so far. I really can't wait to hear their thoughts and get their advice on so many things to come.
One time that I experienced uncertainty was honestly when everyone was experiencing uncertainty, which was when I had to go home. And then I couldn't go back to Egypt because all the airports got shut down. But I guess I overcame that just by spending time with family and friends and trying to focus my energy on looking for internships and just learning new things independently. So I guess that was the biggest thing.
And I guess growing up in Lebanon, you always experience uncertainty. And the way I've overcame that is basically by investing in myself and in my knowledge and skills. And that way I feel like I can adapt to just about anything. Thank you guys, enjoy the conference.
On the theme of uncertainty, I think we all faced a bit of this summer when a lot of our plans and internships fell through, but I think I personally overcame that by looking at opportunities I never would have thought of before, and I found some pretty incredible things to take advantage of. And I think what I learned is that it's important to be adaptable and that things will work out in the end as long as you keep going.
I look forward to meeting you all. I'm excited. November 13th, MIT Arab Conference. See you all there. Bye.